بعد ما عملنا حصاد للأفلام المصرية التي تم إنتاجها في 2014،
عربو كمان قدر يعمل حصاد للأفلام اللي تم إنتاجها خلال العام ده وكمان اللي كانت موجودة في هوليوود.
يا ترى إيه الفيلم اللي حصل على أعلى الإيرادات في أفلام هوليوود؟ ده اللي هنعرفه دلوقتي.
سنتوجه إلى شباك التذاكر لنرى أضخم أفلام السنة.
I love it. It's Godzilla.
في المرتبة العاشرة لدينا فيلم غودزيلا، وهو النسخة الأحدث من فيلم العضاء العملاقة التي ترعب المدن منذ الخمسينيات.
I loved Godzilla. I was much more of a Godzilla fan than I was a King Kong fan as a kid. And I think it's just the Godzilla scared me more, I think. Godzilla was in and of itself a monster.
Because what's really happening is that you're hiding something out there. And it is going to send us back to the Stone Age.
في المرتبة التاسعة يواجه بيتر باركر أصعب تحدٍ على الإطلاق في The Amazing Spider-Man 2 من بطولة الموسيقي الذي أصبح ممثلاً جيمي فوكس بدور الشرير إلكترو.
I think the music is what helps the acting because acting is a rhythmic thing. It's like even when you're doing lines as Electro, the whole world can see me for who I truly am. And who are you? You don't know. I'm Electro. It's like that's musical.
Babes! Do not want war!
هذه القردة تحارب البشر منذ عام 68 وما زالت البشرية تخسر. Dawn of the Planet of the Apes حل في المرتبة الثامنة، وعبقري التقاط الحركة أندي سيركس يلعب دور القرد الرئيس سيزر.
I think it is a movie for our times, as you say. We live in a very complicated world politically, ecologically. We are possibly, one could say, on the brink of very dangerous times. Planet of the Apes and the original franchise, and now this film that we have made, I think is very important because it addresses the whole idea of empathy and prejudice.
Caesar's the only one that can stop this.
They don't want a war.
No saving the human race.
No one else can do this but her.
She won't be able to handle it. The games destroyed her.
Let her see what the Capitol did to District 12.
المرتبة السابعة للجزء الثالث من سلسلة The Hunger Games بعنوان Mockingjay Part 1. يحكي الفيلم قصة جينيفر لورنس بدور كاتنيس إيفردين والتي تقود ثورة بانام ضد كابيتول.
I have a message for President Snow. If we burn, you burn with us.
We need to go into the past to end this war before it ever begins.
في المرتبة السادسة يتصادم الماضي والحاضر في حين يتحد الأبطال القدماء منهم والجدد لإنقاذ جنس المتحولين في X-Men Days of Future Past.
And because my character doesn't age, I as an actor can play both time periods. Every other character is played by two different actors. So the audience and me get this incredible opportunity to see Michael Fassbender or Ian McKellen or James McAvoy, Patrick Stewart playing the same character. You have Jennifer Lawrence. It's an amazing cast.
I don't want your suffering. I don't want your future.
استعدوا فسنختم الآن لمحتنا عن أكثر الأفلام نجاحاً لعام 2014.
I am not afraid.
Then come out.
Then you'll be afraid.
في المرتبة الخامسة نظرة إلى صميم الشريرة الكلاسيكية ماليفيسنت والتي تستكشف أنجلينا جولي أصول الشريرة ديزني هذه.
Well.
I think it was both the greatest pleasure and an extreme challenge to have such an extraordinary original, and that we wanted to make sure we did justice to it and paid respect to all that was done before. I know with Maleficent, I loved her when I was a child. I was scared of her, but I loved her and I was fascinated by her.
في المرتبة الرابعة لدينا Transformers Age of Extinction حيث يكابد Optimus Prime ورفاقه للبقاء على قيد الحياة.
You know, you're going 12 to 15 hours a day, 5 days a week for 6 months. It can be pretty grueling at times, but for the most part, yeah, we're having a blast. Michael and I, it's like two kids, you know, in a candy store getting to do whatever we want and have fun and blow stuff up.
لعل ألعاب الليجو من أكثر الألعاب شهرة في عالمنا. صنعت عام 49 وكل الناس يعرفون الآن هذه المكعبات البلاستيكية. فيلمها السينمائي الأول The Lego Movie حل في المرتبة الثالثة.
Lego itself are you know, I said this like it's like creativity at the cellular level. It's a building block. It's you You cannot break it down any more than a Lego. It's like an atom, you know? It is with Lego you can create anything you want. You can build and create. Lego itself is the physical expression of creativity.
أما في المرتبة الثانية فيلم الأبطال الخارقين السياسي كابتن أمريكا ذا وينتر سولجر. يعاني كابتن أمريكا لتقبل دوره في العالم المعاصر وعليه مواجهة التهديدات من ماضيه.
It's a delicate balance. You know, we want to make sure that Captain America 2 is, you know, a continuation of what we've learned in Avengers. We can't pretend that, you know, the sky didn't open and aliens didn't come to Earth, fall to Earth. You know, that was not, you know, that people are unaware of that. That definitely happened, and we're living in a world where people are, you know, aware of that possibility.
They call themselves the Guardians of the Galaxy. This might not be the best idea.
وأكثر الأفلام نجاحاً لعام 2014 جزء من ثلاثية تقع أحداثها في الفضاء الخارجي وهو Guardians of the Galaxy، وتلعب فيه زوي سالدانا القاتلة المأجورة جامورا خضراء البشرة.
I love being in space. I love being challenged by great roles that especially a company like Marvel creates amazing movies that give not only the audience an adventure, but also give us, as artists, give us an opportunity to sort of be challenged and be able to embody amazing multi-layered characters.
Hey, that's mine. You son of a... Hey! Take those headphones off right now!